side hustle paid my rent in just 7 days. My rent was almost due and I was stressed out. I had no idea how I was going to pay my rent. I tried this one simple side hustle that changed everything in just 7 days. In case you're new to my channel, I'm Nora, and on this channel I share legit side hustles that actually pay. If this is the kind of video that you would like to watch, then please hit that like button, subscribe, join this amazing farm, and without wasting time, let's get straight to the video. So today I'm going to show you how uploading a single PDF online paid my rent in just 7 days. I'm going to be showing you step by step on how I was able to pay my rent with just uploading a single PDF online. So please stick around, take a book and a pen, because after the end of this video, you're gonna be able to start making that dollar each and every single day, and you don't need any fancy skills or coding. You only need your phone or your computer and a strong internet connection. So this is what I actually did. I went to ChatGPT. Yeah, I know you're asking yourself how ChatGPT was able to help me pay my rent. This is what actually happened. I went to ChatGPT. I made an ebook. I just gave ChatGPT the instructions of how I would like my book to be about. And the title of the book, the ebook, was How to Make Money Online as a Beginner. So that was the title of my ebook. So I made that ebook using ChatGPT, and it only took a few minutes. So after making that ebook, I uploaded the PDF. Of course, I changed it into PDF form. Then I uploaded the PDF to Gumroad. If you don't know about Gumroad, don't worry, I'm going to be explaining to you what is it and how it's used and how you can use it even to sell your ebooks. So after uploading my ebook on Gumroad, I went ahead and started sharing my link. Yeah, of course, if you upload your PDF to Gumroad, it's gonna give you a link to that book. So I just copied that link and started sharing the link to my socials. I didn't know that that single PDF could just pay my rent. Let me adjust my light a little bit. Yeah, I didn't know that that single PDF could pay my rent in just 7 days. So within 7 days, enough people had bought the ebook and I was able to cover my rent. And I was really shocked. If you don't know how to use ChatGPT to make an ebook, I previously did a video about that and how I've been using ChatGPT to make money online. So please go back, or I can just put the link in the description box. Then I'm going to share the link so that you can go back and watch that video. It's really helpful. Yeah. So that is what I did. After uploading the ebook to Gumroad, I took that link, and every time I was creating a video here on YouTube, because now I'm creating content about making money online and growing on YouTube. Yeah. So every time I would post a video, I would tell my viewers that, and by the way, this is the link, my link. I put a link in the description box, and that link will direct you to my ebook where you can learn about making money online as a beginner. I didn't know that people were that interested in purchasing that book, Yeah, so I used to put that link in my description box of every video that I used to make, and people really bought that book. Another thing I did was that I used to go to Facebook, and all the groups that I have joined, the groups about making money online, African YouTubers, monetized content creators. I used that those groups to post that link, and people really purchased that ebook. Another thing is that I took that link, shared it in my WhatsApp status, and my friends and family were able to click that link, and many of them really purchased that ebook. I also went to TikTok and created short videos advertising that ebook. And to my shock, you guys, people were really interested, and within just 7 days, my rent was covered. Enough people had bought that book, and I was able to, to pay my rent and sort other bills. What does this mean? It means that you just have to get out of your comfort zone and just start with what you have. If you have a smartphone, start with that. Don't wait until you have fancy cameras or fancy phone. So as I said, you don't need any fancy computers or skills or coding skills to start making money online. Start with your phone. And by the way, I remembered that I have here videos subscribers here on this family. Please, if you have not watched my previous video, I made a clarification that I am no longer creating hair videos. I have realized that many of you guys subscribe to my channel because of my hair content and all that. But right now, you just come to my Make Money Online YouTube growth content. You click the video and watch for a few seconds, and then you sign out. And that has been really affecting my channel because of the CTR has been very, very low. So please, I would like to urge you, if you subscribe to my channel because of my hair videos, I am no longer creating hair videos. I understand if this is where we part ways, or if you unsubscribe, but then I really appreciate your support so much. Yeah, but right now I'm helping people make money online. So if you're interested in legit side hustles, making money online at large, growing your YouTube channel, or if you have the passion or you wanted to start a YouTube channel, then you can talk to me directly, and I'm going to train you from the beginning up to the time when you will earn your first dollar. So what else did I forget? Yeah, so making money online, YouTube growth content is now my thing. So I am no longer creating hair videos. If you are interested in side hustles and all that, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.